How to see like reels on Instagram. Now, let's say you want to see your like reels. All you have to do is to go to your profile icon on the lower corner and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, you just have to scroll down and search for your activity. Once you click on that, you will be able to see every activity or interaction that you have made on your account. Now, you just have to tap on likes right here. And now you will be able to see every content that you have liked, whether that may be reels or posts. So in order for you to see the reels that you have liked on Instagram, all you have to do is to scroll right here and click on all content types. Now once you're here, you just have to clear on post and make sure that the reel option is checked right here. This is to filter the content type that you have liked on your Instagram. So you just have to apply it. And now you will be able to see every reel that you have liked on Instagram. You can just go back to them and view them all over again. So that's how to see like reels on Instagram. Hope it helped.